more delicious recipes and walks. Today we're going to make a yummy, tasty brownie. So let's get started.
Yummy
So right here we have ingredients. So let's get mixing. Right here it's a piece of butter.
And right
It's a melted butter.
chocolate.
It's melted butter.
And there's chocolate and
Okay, Geeta.
and slow.
Okay, Geeta. Pour that in. All of
Careful, yeah. Uh-oh, it's all a mess. That's
That's
okay.
that? Okay. So let's mix up. We put sugar in there.
Okay.
That's okay, Amma.
We
Yeah.
add vanilla extract. So let's mix it. Now we're gonna add some 2 eggs. Until I get all this mixed and fluffy. Now we're gonna add some, what's this?
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder. So brown.
Yeah.
What's this?
Baking powder.
Now we're gonna add some baking powder.
Salt and baking soda.
Salt and baking powder. And
We're gonna put this bowl into this bowl.
can I do that?
Add the chocolates.
Okay, let's add some chocolate. So this is the fun part, because we can add chocos.
Okay, you can pour all of them at once. Okay. So now you're going excited to do that.
Now we're gonna
Excited to do that. You
now
wanna
we're
mix
gonna
it?
mix it. Me.
Okay. You both can do that. You both can slowly.
Okay.
Slowly.
Now we're gonna mix it together.
Yes, slowly, please.
He's a baby. He's 3 years old. So he doesn't really know how to mix it, but he's still mixing it.
Okay, that's enough, baby.
Okay, that's enough, Ethan. Now it's my turn to mix it.
Okay.
See how can I do? I can do it faster. It's fun to mix stuff because it's really fun.
5 to 30 minutes.
So we did bake this for 25 or 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
And we
So-
need to pour this batter into the baking tray.
So when we put this batter into the baking tray, there's gonna be a yummy brownie when we cook it. So when we cook it, we're gonna cut it like a straight line, like cut it like sides. Then we're gonna like taste
Cubes.
it, and if it's yummy, now we're gonna put the batter.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
So now
That's okay, you can do that.
Now you don't need to hold. So we're gonna throw the batter into the tray. It's gonna be yummy. It's just like one pile. So like we can bake it, and after we're done with baking it, you can see how good it's gonna get. So yummy!
So
This is
yummy.
the tasty brownie ever.
This is the tasty brownie hammer.
Bye, see you.
Bye, see you.